Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm here with another video. I installed the Rexing M3 3-channel mirror dash camera into my Cadillac CT5. This is the box that it came in. It has a cabin camera, a rear camera, and also on the back of the mirror, there is a forward-looking camera. Here's some of the specs. I'm not going to read it all, but it's 1080p. It takes an SD card, so it records automatically once it's on all three cameras. It's pretty nice setup if your car didn't come with a install Rearview camera set. So for the power option, I opted to just utilize USB power. Um, at the top, you can see the USB plug I plugged in at the top. I mean, the install was really easy. You had some rubber straps. You just wrap it on your existing rearview mirror. That's the USB power. I routed to the center console, and then the plug for the rearview camera. I ran it all down the passenger side of the vehicle. So I just went along the roof lining, just all the way back, pulled out the rubber, and stuffed the wire in there. It's really easy to do. And I ran the camera cord all the way back to the trunk for the rearview camera. This is a rearview camera. It comes with it. It's waterproof. I've routed the cable through a hole at the bottom of the trunk. I had to remove the lining just to route the cable through. It was pretty easy. I routed the camera wire right through where the seat opens. You can see the cable right here. It's pretty easy. Anybody could do it. You can see the cable here. It's kind of dark, but you should be able to see the cable. How I routed it through to the trunk and then up through the trunk arm and out the door. Uh, that's why I stuffed the cable. It's not visible once in the car. This is where I routed the power to the center console. Just a USB cable. I plugged a USB cable into the outlet. All right, let's turn it on. And here's the camera. It's pretty clear. When you're driving, it'll stay on. If you want it to stay on, you can set a timer. You swipe, you have your forward-looking camera. Swipe again, you got all three cameras. You can see you have your cabin camera, your forward-looking camera, and your rearview camera. Swipe again, you got some other options if you wanted to have up. Some more options, more options. Yeah, it's a pretty nice camera. There is an SD card slot. I got a 128 gig card in there right now. I haven't ran out of space at all. It's pretty responsive when you touch the screen. So I still have my factory camera installed, two separate cameras. I didn't mess with the factory camera at all. So you got a playback function, so you can go into the menu, you get play. You can view your different events, um, just to see what happened. It's taking a second to load right there. But yep, this is from earlier. You can see it already started to record. You just press play. You can see what it is. See what's on it. There is an option where you can hardwire it to your car, utilizing one of your fuse panels. I did have it hooked that way at first. Then I ran into some issues where it would turn on and turn off spontaneously. So I just decided to utilize a USB cable to connect it. Here's a video of me. I think it recorded when I was driving on the freeway on my way home. It's pretty clear. It captures everything you need to capture. It captures the cabin, it captures forward, and it captures your rear. Um, just all in one. It's a lot of settings you can mess with. I'm not going to go through all the settings, but you can set timers. You can adjust brightness. You could do all of that with this mirror. I believe I paid about $170 for it. I think I bought it at Best Buy about a year ago, a little over a year. It's also available on Amazon, of course. But yeah, this is a nice alternative if you don't have it already factory installed in your car. I would recommend this um, over a dash camera that you have to stick on your windshield. All right, if you have any questions, need any more details, just hit me up in the comments.